how to buy and sell crypto with BYBIT P2P. So if you want to buy and sell crypto with BYBIT peer-to-peer trading, open up the BYBIT application and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once done, over here you'll see a couple of options, but I want you to simply go to this more option here, and from the more option you'll see all this, but you want to scroll to my buy crypto option. Then there you'll find buy crypto button, so tap on it. So when you go to this buy crypto button, by default you can see buy and sell network, and you'll be on the one click buy option. But since we're trying to buy it from the P2P way, which is peer-to-peer trading, we'll tap on this and we will simply go to P2P trading option here. Now whether you're trying to buy or whether you're trying to sell, you just have to select from here buy option and sell option that you'll find, and once here you can just tap on a certain things that you want to buy and complete your identity verification, and you enter your card details and you'll be able to buy. And as a result, if you want to sell, then you want to select that, but obviously you have to make sure to change the network from here. This way you can buy and sell crypto with BYBIT P2P. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.